SmartyPants started here, but in a way, it really started here. When we couldn't find what we wanted for our family. Premium ingredients, all in one simplicity and value that was also easy to take, day after day. So we made it for our kids. Then the grown-ups said, "We want some too!" Vegetarians, teens, we know our dogs might need some too.
multivitamins don't really have this in their formula. For example, for instance, complete, they don't carry it. For whatever reason, they said, we're not going to put it in the multivitamins. Even though it says complete, I guess the government doesn't say it's required, so they don't do it. Another thing I like about these vitamins is as far as what's in them. So, let's see right there. As far as what's in them, no high fructose corn syrup. There's no synthetic colors, no flavors or preservatives. They are gluten and casein free, made in a GMP certified facility, and they are tested every lot is tested by a third party, so it's not tested in-house. So, also, if you look really close here, I'll go ahead and read that for you. Free of GMOs, yeast, wheat, milk, eggs, soy allergens, gluten, peanuts, tree nuts, fish allergens, shellfish, synthetic colors, artificial flavors, artificial preservatives, and whatever that word is, solid delights. I don't know what that word is, but it can't be good because I can't even pronounce it. So, nonetheless, I highly recommend these vitamins. They taste delicious. They look like candy. They're coated in this little sugar capsules, little sugar pieces. I guess that gives it the sweet flavor. Kids think it's like candy, and it really does. I mean, I've eaten a few, and they really do taste delicious. I'm very surprised that there's no bad stuff in them. As far as serving size is concerned, if you have a 3-year-old and above, you're giving them 4 a day. So 4 of these bad boys a day. Now you can decide to split them up, 2 in the morning, 2 at night. I chose to give my son all of them, 4 of them, first thing in the morning. He's been taking them for over a year, and he's gotten so far as like maybe a runny nose as far as sickness is concerned. Knock on wood. So at 4 a day, you get 120 in the bottle. Therefore, this bottle will last 30 days. You can have it set up for Amazon reorder. It'll ship right to your door. You wouldn't have to worry about it, which I highly recommend because I think it's cheaper doing it that way. Now, the main reason why I chose these vitamins is, besides obviously the health issue, the fact that it has no crap in them, the main reason is because my son's autistic, so getting him to chew Flintstone vitamins, stuff like that, sometimes was a challenge. It was an issue. He'll just, he'll spit it out, or he'll just pocket it in his mouth. He'll take it out and put it in his pocket. Period. He just wouldn't consume them. But these, he takes them like candy. He loves them. He can't wait to eat them. So if you have a child who's a little stubborn, who's a little fussy eater, definitely give these a shot. Give these a try. All right, guys. I'll talk to you next time.